Hello, everybody. The healing that we have been seeking is here. We have been having thoughts about the clinical nature of life. For example, life, death, and rebirth. We have grown spiritually and we have gone through deep healing, and we were able to shed a lot of our old habits. You earned your stripes. An unexpected gift will bring you great fortune. Something beautiful is happening within you and around you, and you must bring your ideas to life. Reach for the stars. You always felt like you were invisible, but that improved your imagination and mystery, and wonder in life above materialism. You're not invisible anymore, and you deserve sugar, not salt. A hidden power within you is awakening. Embrace it. Life is speeding up, and you must make your dreams real. You are on the right path. Trust and believe. Finish what you started. You have been making, you deliberately pacing yourself. You taking things slow and being mindful of your actions. You using your energy when necessary and resting when needed to avoid burnout. You trusting the natural timing of things in life rather than forcing results. You being peaceful, appreciative for small, quiet joys that are coming your way. You treating your body as the palace it is, and a forgotten dream will resurface. Pursue it. Take things slow. That is how you will win in the end. It's time now to work with others. There have been improvements underway, but there are delays around these improvements. And your magical abilities are growing. You must use them wisely and listen to your true feelings. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.